Hello little friends, welcome to my color board. Today we're going to learn some fruits. Let's color the strawberry. My favorite fruit is strawberry. I think strawberry is the most delicious fruit. Let's color the leaf with light green. Wow, good job, guys! Red color. Let's color the watermelon. Let's color the cherry. Now let's color the leaf. Red again. And then let's color the apple. Let's color the leaf with light green. Orange apple. Here we have another magical fruit. Perfect! I love coloring.
Hello, little friends. Welcome to my color world. Strawberry, red, green, yellow, banana, yellow, watermelon, green, red, cherry, red, apple, violet color, pear, yellow, green, good job, guys. See you next video.
Hi, it's Sophia. Welcome to my color world. Let's learn the alphabet. A is for alligator. B is for balloons. C is for candy. D is for duck. E is for elephant. F is for face. G is for giraffe. H is for horse. I is for ice cream. A is for apple. B is for balloons. C is for candy. D is for diamond. E is for eagle. F is for frog. G is for giraffe. H is for hamburger. I is for ice cream. J is for jellyfish. K is for kangaroo. L is for lemon. M is for monkey. N is for nuts. O is for octopus. P is for penguin. Q is for question. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for tiger. U is for unicorn. V is for van. W is for window. X is for Xmas. Y is for yarn. Z is for zebra.
Hello little friends, welcome to my colour world. Let's learn number 1 to number 9. Blue number 1, yellow number 2. Red number 3. Blue number 4. Yellow number 5. Red number 6. Blue number 7. Yellow number 8. Red number 9. Eight, 9. Good job guys, you did it great. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.